Hi, my name is David Faraci, and I'm an attorney with Swartz & Swartz in Boston. So as everybody I'm sure knows, construction sites can be very dangerous. And even when a worker on the construction site is taking all the safety precautions he or she can, injuries still do happen. So if you're injured on a construction site, what do? Well, the first thing that you should do is seek the medical care that you need. Health should be your number one priority. After you are receiving the medical care you need, there are a couple other options. If you were working in the course of your employment when you were injured, you may want to file a workers' compensation claim that will help cover your medical bills and any lost wages that you might incur because of your injuries. Now, under the workers' compensation law, you can't bring a lawsuit against your employer to receive additional compensation. But oftentimes, in construction site injuries, a third party may be liable for additional compensation such as your pain and suffering and other damages. So what are a couple examples? Say that you're working on a construction site and you're working for a subcontractor, but the general contractor on the site has failed to maintain safety on the site, basically making a dangerous condition, and as a result you were injured. You may be able to bring a lawsuit against the general contractor for being negligent in the maintenance of safety on their site. And this lawsuit could get you additional compensation for your pain and suffering. Another example would be is if you were using a piece of heavy equipment on the site and that a piece of equipment was defective, and as a result of the defect, you were caused an injury. In this case, you might be able to bring a lawsuit against either the manufacturer of the machine or the owner of the machine for the injuries that you suffered as a result of the machine's condition. Construction site injuries can be complicated, so if you are injured on a construction site, it's important to speak to an experienced attorney who will be able to review the situation and determine who may be liable to you for your injuries. If you have any questions about an injury that you suffered, the attorneys at Swartz & Swartz are happy to help.